So I'm going to be showing you how to make this invisible seam. What you want to do is, instead of going into this stitch right here, you're actually going to go into the next one. So you'll be skipping this one. I'm doing double crochet, so I'm going to yarn over and go into the next spot. So it's going to look like this, but it will close up because we're going to go all the way around, and then we'll come around and we'll crochet over here. Now I'm just going to continue. I will meet you at the end and I will show you what to do. Now, okay, so I'm reaching the end. This is normally the last stitch, and this is the joining stitch. This is the slip stitch. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a stitch right there, and then I'm going to put a stitch right here. This will not mess up the stitch count because remember I skipped that one. So now what I'll do is I will slip stitch right there. I always tighten it up for my next row and then, or my next round, and then I chain two. And that's how easy it is. Now what you'll do is you will do every odd round is going to be performed the way I just showed you, and every even round is going to be performed as usual, the normal way. That's all there is, and you can see that it is very hard to tell where it is.